What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today what we are fixing to do is we are fixing to do the unboxing of the Morphe 9-piece face and eye collection. So this was a mystery box. You didn't know exactly what you were getting, but I saw an ad for it on Facebook and went to the website and ordered. So we're going to go ahead and do an unboxing. Also, if you have not seen the video for this eye look, be sure and go to it. It will probably be up before this video, so I'll leave like a little card for you to click on, and I'll also link it down below. It is a New Year's Eve festive look, so be sure and check that out. But anyways, let's go ahead and get started. So this is the Morphe the surprise box, the 9-piece face and eye collection. And like I said, it's like a little mystery box that Morphe had put together. You had no idea what was in it. I saw like comments from people who said they ordered or they bought it in store and it was different items. So it's basically a surprise. It's just like those Jeffree Star mystery boxes. So if you haven't seen those, also be sure and check that out because I've been doing those as well. So let's go ahead and just get started and check out the box. So for this box, I got one of the Morphe lipsticks, Mega Matte lipsticks in the shade Steamy. So this is it right here. I'm gonna do it, and I'll probably swatch a couple of it. But this is the Morphe packaging for their lipsticks. I think it's super sleek and beautiful. They always have amazing packaging, and I'm a big Morphe fan for a lot of their things. But this is it, and this is the shade. This was the shade Steamy, so I'm gonna swatch Steamy right here. That was a terrible swatch. Sorry, y'all. But this is the shade right here, which I think is gorgeous. It's absolutely stunning. And so that is Steamy. So this was the first item I got in that box, or in this box. The next one I got is the lip gloss in the shade Frosé. So, like I said, a lot of their lip packaging has like this slanted top, but this is the lip gloss, which is beautiful, in the shade Frosé. And let's see if because sometimes glosses tend to have like a little bit of a tint. So let's see. So there's a little bit. You can kind of see it from my little mirror right here, the lights from that. But it's beautiful, beautiful. So far, honestly, when I unboxed this, I was extremely happy with everything I got. I couldn't have been happier. Everything was absolutely perfect. So I was super happy. So I did get a lip crayon in the shade IRL. So this is their lip crayon. And this is the shade right here. And both of these, this is I just totally touched the cloth. This honestly is like one of my favorite lip shades anyway to wear. So I was super happy to get that. And I think, honestly, these two go together perfectly. And I love red, so clearly I'm wearing a red right now. So the next thing I got were some of their lashes. This is in the Lashes Posh. So these are stunning and beautiful. I've never tried their lashes, but I'm super excited to try them out. If you're curious about the lashes I'm currently wearing, they are Rubiias lashes. I found her on Instagram. I'll link out her Instagram down below. She has stunning lashes. They're super affordable. You will love them. But I'm excited to try these out. I've never tried their lashes before. The next thing I got was the Blushing Babes Papa Pink Blush Trio. So I was really excited about this. I have not tried any of their blush trios. It reminds me a lot of, who is it? And honestly, I could probably find it right here. But this is it right here. This is in the shade, Blend the Rule. No, that's not the shade. The shade is Papa Pink. So we have Rule Breaker right here, Free, and this is Free and this is Spirit. And so these are the shades right here, which are like all of my shades. I tend to go more for like a mauve kind of blush. I'm not like a super hardcore bright pink or anything like that, which I know this is, but these two right here are like my kind of go-to for a blush. Like I'm not a everybody see my blush kind of girl. But this reminds me, and I can't, it's driving me crazy because I know I've got it. Hold on one second. I am back. So yes, this reminds me a lot of the Anastasia Beverly Hills blush trios. So if you look right here, how crazy is that? Morphe's definitely have a bigger pant size though. But I haven't tried them. I'm excited. I love Morphe products, so I'm really excited about this one, especially because the colors are right up my alley. The next thing I got is this set of brushes right here, which I'm so excited, and I love the rose gold. I love Morphe brushes in general. I think they're really nice and affordable. But this one is the R39 tapered blending brush. This is the R11. And then this one right here is the R36 pointed highlight brush. So I'm really excited about those. And then the last thing I got, which I was happy about because I do not have this one. I got the 35OS. Now I do have the 35O and I have the 3502. But I do not have the 35OS, which is basically kind of the same, but this one is all shimmers. So it's the same shades, but all these shades in here are shimmers, and they're absolutely stunning and beautiful. Like I said, I have the 35O and the 3502. So now I can add this to my collection with the 35OS, which is all the shimmer shades. So my light kind of doesn't do it justice, but they're absolutely beautiful shades. Hold on, girl. I will swatch a few of these. I'm just going to put them like right on my fingertips. I'll do some darks and I'll do some of the lighter shades as well. And then like let's do this orange right here. So I'm trying to find a spot. I should have rolled my sleeve up before. But here are the shades right here, and as you can see, like they just have that beautiful, stunning, like shimmery status about them. And I just totally put the orange all over for me swatching. So this one's not going to be a good swatch, but I love Morphe shadows, so I'm very pleased, very happy that I got this one. And especially because it's not something that I already have, which was a chance you take when you get a mystery box. But I think for the price, because I want to say this was 40 something, 50 something, I'm not sure. It's been a while since I purchased it. It's totally worth it. Hey girl, you just want some love. But like I was saying, I think it's totally worth it. It's worth the price. You get amazing things. And especially if you haven't tried the brand before, this is a great way to jump in and really see what all they have to offer. I've always been a big fan of Morphe. I've always loved their stuff. Eyeshadows are amazing. Their brushes are amazing. But for me, you know, I've never had their blushes and I've never tried their lashes. So I was really excited about that, and I get to get a couple of things that I don't already have for a better price since it's all packaged in a mystery box. Plus, you can't have enough lips or brushes. So this was right up my alley. This is totally worth it. If you ever get the chance again, if you see on their website that they have a mystery box, go for it. Because like I said, it's a great way to try out a new brand that you've never had before, or to get some really great stuff and stock up on some of the things that you may already have. But that completes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure to hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye, y'all.